I walked through on huge dead volcanoes ridge, huge thick of lava chunks for many years around me. To touch that, to feel, to think about destruction of eruption was exceptional experience of life. Breathtaking volcano cliffs, views from Ia and Thera from traditional wooden sailing boat, swim in hot spring, enjoying beautiful views of the Aegean Sea from Thirassia. Those were two short but wonderful memories for life. 6 hours tour in that volcano, and this is our exit stories today. As per schedule of August 2020, the tour departs daily from the old port of Fira at 10 in the morning and at 2 p.m. The ticket of excursion was 26 euro per head, which we collected before day. The excursion starts from Old Port of Santorini. The port is only accessible by cable car, which is the most common way as it takes only 3 minutes to go down. If no 587 steps on foot or for those who love the adventure. The local donkeys is also the ideal choice to reach it. You should pay 6 euro more per way either for the cable car ticket or to ride one of the donkeys. But I am not encouraging anyone for imposing own body weight to innocent donkeys. They are continue suffering and they are abused. Famous volcano Nyakaminie was our second destination after Ia. Just 20 minutes with traditional wooden sailing boat in blue water, we reached Nyakaminie's jetty. If you are interested to be guided at the volcano, you should pay €2.50 per person as an entrance fee. Then you will walk to the volcano's ridge with your guide and they are going to explain you everything about the history and the geology of volcano. You will stay at the volcano island for 1.5 hours. You will embark again to boat for the next stop. The boat will stop in the small bay of Agios Nicholas, and with a ladder you can dive into the water and swim for about 30 meters until you reach the famous thermal spas of Palaya-Kamini, where the water temperature ranges from 30 to 35 degrees Celsius as it mixes continuously with normal sea currents. No trip to Santorini is complete without a visit to Thirassia Island. A short distance from Santorini, Thirassia is an integral part of Santorini's culture and bears same rich history and beautiful views of Aegean Sea. Thirassia is a small island with a population of 270. 2 hours of free time to swim in crystal clear waters of Corfus or to eat the traditional taverns of the island. You will also have time to move foot to the village Manula, which is very picturesque with narrow streets and a beautiful view of Santorini. After the pleasant break of 2 hours on the island of Thirassia, we started to return the old port, passing so close to Blue Star Ferry and breathtaking volcanic cliffs of Ia to photograph these unique settings. Lava made this island, but lava also destroyed it. It is a wild beauty that is just hard to find, one of a kind. This natural beauty we admire is more powerful than any civilization. Nature is more powerful than any human. Respect it.